How to block someone on Mobile Legends game. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Mobile Legends. Blocking a player can help you avoid unwanted interactions and make your gaming experience much more enjoyable. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Launch the Mobile Legends app on your mobile device. On the bottom right corner, tap the icon that looks like two people. This opens your in-game friends list. Scroll to find the player you want to block. Now find the player you want to block in your friends list. Tap on the player's profile to open it. Once in it, tap on the three horizontal lines icon. Now you can report the friend by simply tapping on the report icon. Or you can tap on the blacklist icon to block your friend. So tap on blacklist to block the friend. Confirm by tapping OK again. You've now successfully added the player to your blacklist. They can no longer message you or access your profile. That's how to block someone on Mobile Legends. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mobile Legends tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.